Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzinwith Vee. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a collaboration with Creative Mommy and Evelyn Creativa. They both are hosting this collaboration. It is a Christmas in July and we will be posting every Sunday. I'm a little late, so I do know Evelyn's aware. I will be offering a giveaway at the end of this collaboration, and so everything I make, you will have the potential to win everything in one bundle. And all you have to do is be a subscriber, of course, like each video in this collaboration, and comment enter me in each video, and you will be entered in the giveaway. We're going to make these little banners here, and I am using the Snow and Cocoa collection. I do have bits and pieces of it. I tried to find the whole collection last year and was unsuccessful. However, I am gonna try to attempt to use what I have and get this collection out there, and hopefully one of you guys will win this. I love this collection and I'm so happy that I'm able to use it now. So I did make a SVG file for you, very simple. It will be linked below. Please, if you do use my SVG file, please shout me out. I greatly appreciate it. It would help my channel. And yeah, so I did these fishtail banners and they're very simple. So I did this one, and then this is an overlay right here, and then you would fold this one like so. So it would look like this now. And so this is what I'm using here. So if you guys want to make one yourselves, I will have the file and you can go ahead and use it for yourselves. It is a free file. I made this just for you guys. So hopefully you guys will use that. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already made two. So these are going to be 3 banners. These banners are so awesome to use on your bags or bag toppers or any type of packaging that you're using, but they're also really fun to have and look at. So here we have what I'm going to use right here. Nothing is glued or anything, but I did go ahead and sew for the sake of the video. So if you can see right there, everything it has some sewing except for the chipboard. From using the machine, something like this very thin, my machine will tear or it will bend the chipboard. So I didn't want to risk it. So here's this one right here, and then another piece of chipboard right here, and then lastly is this die cut, is the Sizzix die cut, and I will link it below. I love this. This is my 2nd year using it, so I do love them, and hopefully you guys will too. So here is the inner portion of the banner, like so, like this one right here. And so all I did was sew around it and then glue this eyelash trim from Dollar Tree. So all I did was glue it right there, so you can see. So that's it. So we're going to use this one right here, and let's go ahead and get started. So you'll have this to begin with, so just go ahead and fold it in half. So now I'm going to use this one, and you're going to need your skewer. I use skewers. You can use anything you'd like. These are from Dollar Tree, and I just trim them down. And so we are also going to use these foam balls from Hobby Lobby, and sometimes you can get them at Dollar Tree. And I did use this die from In Love Art Shop. This one I did use, I believe it was for Valentine's. I'm not sure, but I will link the video below. So here it is right here, the bow. Super cute. And so I'll put that to the side. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using some Dollar Tree skewers, and I'm going to use a garden tool to trim that off. And you're able to trim that off also with your hands, but I do not like to do that. I just like to use my garden tool. It's I believe I picked it up at Walmart. It's very used, and I don't use it for a garden anymore. I use it for crafting. And so that's just the skewer. You could use anything from Michael's if you'd like. Here is the flag banner, and so you're going to want to have like about 1/4 of an inch hangover there, but I will add the ball to the wood piece first, and then I will glue it onto the fishtail banner. So just add glue. You want to puncture the hole first and then add glue, then add your skewer. And I'm using this little tool from Dollar Tree that was gifted to me by Becky Long in our swap. Thank you, Becky. And yeah, it comes very useful just to scrape off hot glue. And so here I'm going to add the wood piece to the banner, and I'm just showing you here how much is where I'm going to cut, which is about 1/4, give or take. So it depends on the ball, and so you'll see me trim the edge of the wood piece because the ball doesn't want to fully go through, because if I do push it through, it'll come out through the other end. So I just add glue, fold the fishtail banner over, and there is some of that piece hanging over. This is just how I make them. Everyone makes them different, and so yeah, I did scrap lift this from Adriana Alvarez. You guys know she is one of my inspirations, and she's very talented. I will link her Instagram below. She definitely needs a YouTube. Wink, wink, Adriana. So I'm just adding the ball, and you see here that it doesn't go through, so I just add some more glue and then just glue it on over, and then I'm going to glue the inner portion. Just add some glue, and this hot glue gun gives me such a headache. Love-hate relationship with that hot glue gun, but anyways, let's move on. And so I just glue it on, and some of it just seeped on over, so I just snipped it off. So now let's add the top portion, and I do also use hot glue. You can use whatever glue you'd like or you'd prefer. I prefer hot glue, even though I can pull my hair out at times with it. So but yeah, anyway, let's see what I'm doing here. This is a voiceover, so I did videotape this without a voiceover. However, it was over 22 minutes long, so I figured voiceover. And so I completely forgot to add the gold snowflake. I'm showing you how dimensional the banner is there, so that's why I picked up the other banner. And so yeah, that gold snowflake does not get used, and sometimes stuff like that happens when crafting. And so I was so focused on being in frame that I completely forgot about that snowflake. So I'm just going to add some foam pieces here and some glue, add that chipboard pink snowflake just to give it some dimension. That's why you need foam pieces. And I'm going to add the mint snowflake, or it's a blue, not sure. Sometimes my eyes aren't, I have bad eyesight. I am negative 3.75. Can you believe that? Yeah, bad eyesight. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on. So now I'm adding 2 pieces of foam to add a second layer to this piece. And those little thingies they take forever to remove the backing of the foam. Yeah, I have trouble with that. Just add some glue, put it on over, and so completely forgot to use that. So Mr. Snowman's gonna go right on top. I think he's so adorable. He's such a little fun little piece, and I did sew on him. And just showing you, I'm using another chipboard piece. It's a little tree, and so we're gonna add some foam behind that tree as well. We need some dimensions, so every piece that I add an extra layer of foam. So now it's Mr. Snowman's time, and I do add 2 layers of the foam tape that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So here I show you what I'm using for the ephemera, and I'm using a they're jar packets, 6 of them. And so I figured, you know what, I'm going to use these as ephemera because I could not find the ephemera last year. And so I figured I'd use the jar pieces for something else, and it worked out. Here I am gluing it onto this flag. I'm not sure what to call these. Flag, banner flag, banner flags? I don't know, but I'm saying fishtail flags, I guess, so that's what I'm sticking with, fishtail flags. So just finishing up. So I do want to cover this little portion right here. This is supposed to be a tag, and it has a little hole in it. So I figured I'm going to cover it with some miniature foam balls that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I will cover the rest of the flag with some here and there. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to add them to some bags. And what I'm going to use is some page protectors, and I have my memory keeper tool, so I'll be back. So this is what it looks like. I did use the We Are Memory Keepers tool and also some page protectors to make these little bags. And I just want to show them what they look like right now. And later I will add some pictures because I still need to take pictures. And so that is the second week. I'm showing you here what I'm storing everything in. And if I do not make a 3D project, this is where everything's going to be sent to the winner. So there's week 1, the glassine bags, and now week 2 are the fishtail banners. Excuse me, fishtail flags. And so that's it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it and enjoy the pictures at the end. And please make sure to comment, enter, and be a subscriber. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.